Hi, my name is David Campbell, and today I'm going to demonstrate Packet Tracer 3.5.2.2. Our objective for today, properly configure a VTP domain, configure VLANs on a VTP server, and observe the change on the VTP client. So our first step, we're just going to click on the VTP server right here, go to the CLI. Now we're going to go into globalization mode, so enable VTP main, and then we're going to type in, we'll set the VTP domain to discovery. So I have a very sneaky feeling I did this wrong. There we go. There we go. Domain. From null to discovery. So what actually happened was, let's see. Do VTP. Okay. So let's set the VTP mode to server. So VTP mode server. So it's already named as the server, so that's already nice. By default, it's switched to set as a VTP server, so everything is always automatically server, but you never know. So VTP, so we'll just set a password, Cisco 123, and exit. Okay, let me just check our results. Okay, so our activity is saying we are not doing it right, which close. But go to the next step. Alright, I see what's going on. Okay, so next step, we're going to click the VTP client 1 and choose the command line interface, so client 1. So we'll enter, we'll click the VTP, choose the VTP, and enter VT domain discovery. Let's see. Configuration mode, VTP. Let's copy this. Yes, I can. That's going to save me some time. So let's exit out of here. VTP domain. Okay, so everything is set up. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is enter BTP mode client. So let's enter the BTP mode password. So Cisco 123. Nope. So everything has been set up. So exit, and then we're just going to repeat all this right here for client 2 and the client 3. So exit. Enable. This is going to take just a little bit, so I'm just going to pause it for just a second and finish this up. Okay, I'm just finishing up on client 3. As you can see, I've already got everything set up, so let me just click enter to run the configuration. So we'll go to the next step, step 3. Okay, we'll click the BTP transparent, or we're going to configure the transparent BTP switch. So let me exit out of here. So we'll find the transparent BTP switch right here. Go to the CLI. So from here, we're just going to set the BTP mode to discovery. Enter. The only difference right here, instead of the on the mode, we're just going to click transparent. So we'll enable configuration mode BTP domain discovery. It's already set. BTP mode transparent. Okay, so BTP password 123. So we got that set up. We'll do a run, and then we'll exit. Okay. Our next step, step 4. We're going to click the BTP server switch and choose the CLI tab. So go to the server, go back to the CLI, enable configuration mode, VLAN 10. So what we're setting up, we're just going to give it a name, VLAN name, our name, research, RESEARCH. Do and run. Nope. So step 5, we're going to verify the BTP configuration. So we're still on the server, and we're going to go to the privilege executive mode. So let's exit. Okay, let me just make sure. Okay. And I'll show BTP status. Okay, so from there, we'll verify the BTP password is set to Cisco. I'm not seeing it right here. Let's just double check. We'll see, make sure it's on client 1. Okay. Do we even have a VLAN 10? Still on operation mode. Let me check something right here. sure enough, it won't let me show me anything. Let's go back here. Okay, so let's show the VTP password, verify the VTP mode, domain password, and configure the VLAN with the commands from step 60E. Okay, let's do a show VLAN. Should find a research. Perfect, number 10. So we are there. Okay, so everything looks pretty good from here. So we're just gonna check the VTP client 1. And click the VTP, and we'll verify the VTP mode. So show VTP. Client discovery. Okay, so it's looks okay from here. So let's go and check the next step 6. We're going to click on the VTP client 2 switch and add fast Ethernet. So CLI switch config, we're right there. T FA 0/1. So right here, switch port mode access. Okay, so from here, and then we're going to access VLAN. Oh. It just kicked me on there, so 1 second. So switch port access, VLAN 10. Okay. Now we're going to do the same thing on the client 3. Interface. FA 0/1. And that's a D. Switch port mode access again. Switch port mode access VLAN 10. We're just getting the VLANs talking with each other. Okay, so close this. Now let's see if we can ping. And let me see, let's get an IP address. Okay, so we were able to get a ping right here. Alright, and this actually concludes Packet Tracer Activity 3.5.2.2. Thank you and have a great day.